Hey Siri, what should everyone do while watching my video?
Hit the subscribe button and the bell next to AJ170's name so you never miss a video.
Hey guys, what is up? This is AJ170, and today guys, I'm going to be making a video on how to get a macro onto your jailbroken device. This should work from iOS 8 all the way to iOS 10.3.3 or iOS 10.3.3 and below, however you guys want me to word this. And if you guys are wondering what on earth a macro is an auto toucher or auto clicker. It is more well known on PC. It is normally a program you can download on your computer that would automatically tap the keyboards and clicks that you would want it to. Well, they have it on phones too. It's on Android and iOS. There's a non-jailbroken version of it on iOS, but it's not as good. It's kind of weird. I'll be making a video on that tomorrow. But yeah, this is useful for video games or other things you could find this useful for. So anyways, before I jump right into this video, I do want to explain that you will have to pirate this tweak. You cannot pay for it. If you were to pay for it, you will not get the paid version of this app. The developer has abandoned the app and he has completely stopped working on it. And because of that, when you buy the license, he will not email you back and send you the license file. People have been posting this on Reddit left and right on there. I tried finding one of the posts on there. I couldn't find one. I didn't look long enough. I didn't want to use the whole video for it. I'm probably going to edit that whole part of the video out to reduce the time down. But yeah, I'm going to stop rambling on right here. I don't like to bring this intro part over 2 minutes. So let's go ahead and jump right into this video, guys. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up, and I'm going to go ahead and meet you guys over on my iPhone now. Alright guys, so as you can see, I'm on my iPhone right now. If I double tap my power button, as you see, that pop-up just came up. And I'm currently recording some actions right now. As you can see, I just canceled it, and there's my recording. If I hit play now, I'm not touching my iPhone, and it will automatically start playing it all on its own. It is not me touching my screen. It was all doing it by itself. If you guys don't believe me, you can go ahead and download the app yourself and do it yourself. But yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to get this app and how to set it up and how to use it. First, I'm going to be showing everything about the app, on how you use the app and everything like that. Another cool thing you could do with this app is you can even open up apps and close out of the app. So for example, this is the macro plane. It opened the app and closed out of it all on its own, which I think is really, really cool. So anyways, let's go ahead and delete this. Go to with a fresh start, and I'm going to show you guys the app. Here it is right here. Under the first page, all of your little handmade actions will be shown up in the starts, where you can edit the name and edit it by code. For example, I'm just going to scroll up and down on this one, and there it is right there. So if I hit the I, go to rename. Now, you do have to have the .lua at the end. If you do not have that at the end of the name, it will mess it up. So I'm going to rename this to up and down, because that is literally what it does. It goes up and down. So as you see, I opened up the menu, and I can go ahead and I can go up and down, and it works perfectly fine. If I wanted to, I can make it do it infinitely by just tapping the numbers on the pop-up menu to where it says 1, 0, and I can do it however many times I want. When you guys go to set this up, you want to go to Settings, Control, Action for main control. You will need Activator for this. If you guys do not have Activator, it should automatically install it when you start downloading this tweak. And I recommend scrolling down to the sleep button and setting it to double tapping the power button to activate it. Do not, I repeat, do not use the home button for it. I only recommend using the sleep button for it. You can probably do the volume buttons too, but that might interfere with turning your volume up or down. So I believe this is the best way to do it. If you use the home button, it will actually interfere with your with the recording. When you guys do want to go and actually pirate the app, you're going to go to License, and you're going to download the license. I am using a non-pirated version of this right now from the actual developer's repo, which I'll be showing you how to get later on inside of the video. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to skip this part right here. Alright, no reason to keep that in there because it was a complete waste of time on the video. You can even upload your own scripts that you make, or you can download other people's. You can even pay for them too. I don't know if the paying for scripts works or not. As you can see, I just downloaded one right there, and it's tapping over 9,000. And I'm just going to delete it because I have no reason to keep it on my device. So in order to get this, you guys are going to need to add a custom source. So I'm going to go ahead and refresh Cydia so it's working all nice and pretty, because my auto refresh doesn't work for some reason. So let's wait for this to get done refreshing. There we go, it is done refreshing, and the repo you guys are going to want to add is the Hack Your iPhone repo. That is one I recommend. You can use Bite Your Apple repo too, but I like the Hack Your iPhone better. So you can either type it in, or you can go to the link inside the description, copy and paste it in there like that. Of course, that is not the link, but pretend it is. Then you'd click add source and it would start adding. I don't feel like re-adding that source right now or deleting it. If you guys don't know how to add custom sources, I will also be showing that later on near the end of this video again. So once it is done and you refresh everything, you're going to type in auto touch just like that, all together one word, and you're going to want to go ahead and download it from Hack Your iPhone. Now, once you guys go ahead and click install on there, you respring and it's all on your phone. Then you guys are going to go ahead, open up Auto Touch. Once you guys open up Auto Touch, go to Settings, go to License, go to License Download, which will be in the top right hand corner. It will load and then it should give you a success message. Once you do that, you have the full version of this app and you can use it freely. Then the optional part that you guys can do is you can actually download it from the developer's private repo, which is this right here. I'll be showing you guys how to get that repo near the end of the video. And if I go ahead and click all packages, there it is right there that I have fully installed. So if you guys want to install it from that repo, you're going to go ahead and open up Auto Touch. Once you guys open up Auto Touch, you're going to go ahead and go to the settings. Once you guys are on the settings page, go ahead and go to the website under communication near the bottom. Then you guys are going to scroll down for one of the recent changelog updates. There it is right there in red. All you're going to do is go ahead and copy that in. So if I go ahead and select this and copy. Again, guys, if you do not have to do this, this is completely optional. I don't even think anything was added in the developer version of it. There's no changelog for it. So if you guys want to go ahead and keep the version you have currently off of the Hack Your iPhone repo, go right ahead and click off this video. If not, you can keep watching it. I am also going to go ahead and delete that repo, and I'm going to uninstall a custom one so you guys know how to do it. For those of you, in case you don't know how to install a custom repo, you're going to tap Edit, tap Add, and then let's go ahead and paste in the link and click Add Source. That's how you do it. It's as simple as that. For those of you that might have a little trouble getting the Hack Your iPhone repo, there will be a link to it in the description. You can either type it out exactly as it's in my description, or you can click on it, load it into Safari, copy the link from Safari, and paste it into Cydia. It's your guys' choice, however you may want to do it. And of course, you just want to go ahead, open up the Cydia, go to the repo like I did earlier, and install it. It is literally that easy, guys. This app is literally that easy to use. Remember, do not use your home button as the actual activator action. You're going to want to use your sleep button or something similar. And as for proof, as you guys can see, I'm on iOS 10.3.1. This should work on iOS 10.3.3 all the way down to iOS 6. But the iOS 6 version is a little bit different, of course, so I'm only going to show the iOS 8 to 10 version of it in this video. But that is basically going to be just about it for this video, guys. If you want to see more jailbreak videos, let me know in the comments. I plan on making a top 5 animation tweaks, or my favorite animation tweaks, and include 5 of them in the video. Let me know what you think of that opinion. This is AJ170 signing out. See you guys next time.